welcome back to my channel. So yeah, I'm finally back after a long break. I said only 1 week break, but exams are extended. So yeah, I'm finally back after a long time. And yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. So today, I'll be showing you Navratri makeup look. So it's gonna be pink and blue themed. So yeah, let's go. First off, I'm putting my eyeshadow on. That's why I removed my spectacles. So yeah, here's my eyeshadow palette. And I'm keeping this blue color. It is looking dark, but actually it is like a lighter shade. So alright, next eye. I don't know whether it's full because I removed my spectacles and all is blur, and whatever I can do, I'll do right back. Alright, I'm back, and yeah, I fixed my eye makeup also, as you can see. Yeah, so yeah, let's move on to the next one. That is blush. So yeah, this is my makeup bag, and I'll upload what's in my makeup bag. I will see when to upload. Alright, just a minute. So yeah, here I have my blush. Yeah, taking it out. So I'm gonna keep it. There we go. Nice. I don't know whether it's perfect or not, but yeah. Next, I'm gonna keep face shoe, that's highlighter. Yeah, here I have mine. Very nice. Oh. So yeah, I'm gonna keep my lipstick. So I'll be right back. So I just realized I didn't keep powder at all. So yeah, no problem. I'll keep it again. I'll be right back. So yeah, I had to do my blush and highlighter again because I didn't keep powder. So this is the powder I keep, like my 9 to 5. So yeah, next I'm gonna keep the lipstick. Just a minute. Yeah, here I have my lipstick, Lakme. There we go. Yeah, I did makeup last time also, so yeah, if you haven't watched it, the link is in the description below. So So here I have my lipstick. It is just like that. This color is nice. It is darker than it looks. Yeah, and it's pink. So yeah, here is my completed look. So yeah, just a minute. So yeah, here is my whole look all completed. So yeah, that is it for today. I hope you all enjoyed. So if you enjoyed, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends. Comment and let me know what more I should make, like videos. Alright? And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell so you don't miss any instant update from me. Bye. See y'all. Bye. See y'all in my next video. So yeah, I totally forgot to keep this. So yeah, here it is. So yeah, that is it for today. And thank you for watching. Subscribe and click on the bell so you don't miss any instant update from me. Bye. See you in the next video.